Hi, Professor. It's Ashley Allen. Today is July 21st, 2018. Two things. First of all, um, I had no one to help me record, so I'm recording this myself. Try to get a glance of me. Hi! And also, as you notice, I guess the luck of the draw, my veins and arteries are not pigmented. So it's been challenging for me, but I'll definitely try my best to label what I'm supposed to label on both my videos and both my video and my pictures on lab part number 1. So if you get a little close, I'll get close here with you. Let me get my probe. Might help. I believe, so here's our heart. I'm going to label a few things off the heart because it's easier for me since things are not colored. Here is the left ventricle. Here's the left auricle inside of there. The blood pumps into there, goes to the valve, and goes into the left ventricle. This is where blood gets oxygenated, so it comes out to the aorta up here. So here's the right ventricle and the right auricle on top of that. And so as we know, the left ventricle is larger, and right here, this light part right there is the coronary artery. All right, so when we go up here, under here is the internal jugular, and that goes on both sides up here. Here's the trach, and then here's the external jugular that runs up in here. And it's on this side as well. For the supra cava, it would be coming up over here on the right side. And let's see, the cephalic vein would be lower down here, coming out, extending out towards the body. Then we have the brachiocephalic trunk, which goes towards the arm, so it would break up here and go in towards the arm, which supplies blood over to the arm. So it's pretty impressive. Here's an artery right here as well. I believe this is the carotid, and so it's pretty impressive how it all works. Once I opened it up, I was kind of in awe, to be honest with you. Let's see what else we can find here to label. Like I said, it's been quite a challenge for me. So we labeled the superior vena cava as well as the external jugular, internal jugular, which both go up to the neck and head, supply blood there. The cephalic vein, which would be coming out here on the side. So it's going, I believe, at L4, and then the brachial would go up into the arm, brachiocephalic trunk, the supra cava, and then underneath we wouldn't be able to see, but there's the inferior vena cava, and again the right and left ventricle and aorta. We can't see the valves inside of here. We know that veins have valves, especially in our peripheral limbs, particularly our legs, so blood doesn't go backwards. Whereas arteries, they can sustain more pressure and they do not have valves. I hope that's informative enough. Again, there's a challenge not being able to see everything. Please let me know if you have questions or if you'd like me to try to redo this. Thank you.